Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking the watch off and laying it face up on a cloth. This prevents scratches and stabilizes the case. Next, locate the crown at 3 o'clock and check whether it's screw down or simple pull. If it's screw down, rotate the crown counterclockwise until it unsticks. One quick pop signals it's free. Once done, you'll be ready to move the crown into the time-setting position. Make sure your hands are dry and steady to avoid slipping while you work. You now pull the crown out to the correct position, usually the second detent, because the first often changes date. Once in place, rotate the crown to move the hour and minute hands. Rotating one direction advances time, the other reverses. Move hands past 12 to confirm AM or PM if the watch has date function, and then set to the exact minute marker. Make small, deliberate turns so gears mesh smoothly. If resistance occurs, back off and try again to avoid damage. You finish by pressing the crown back to the case. For screw-down types, press and rotate clockwise until tight to restore water resistance. Once done, observe the watch for a few minutes to confirm the hands run consistently and the time stays accurate, and make minor adjustments if needed. If the crown feels stiff, won't engage, or the time slips, do not force it. Stop and take the watch to a technician, as gasket or stem issues require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.